Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this error. That is, something went wrong and Microsoft Store failed to initialize. So if you're receiving this error, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to make a right click on date and time at the bottom right. Make a right click and then click on adjust date and time. Make sure set time zone automatically. If this is off, turn it on. Also set time automatically. If this is off, turn it on. And then click on sync now. Sync now is important. If you receive any errors, click on sync now multiple times. Once you see the tick over here, go to time and language and region, and make sure your country is selected over here. Select the right country and then check. Still not working. The next step is to clear store cache using wsreset command. So type in wsreset in Windows search box, click on wsreset over here. This will reopen Microsoft Store and then check. Still not working. Run gaming services repair tool. So you can go to the official Microsoft website. In Google search, you can search for gaming services repair tool. Here you can see Xbox support, and this will take you to Microsoft website. Go to the official website, click on downloadable version, scroll down and then click on download the gaming services repair tool for PC. Run this exe file, click on yes to allow, and let the repair complete. This process will take some time, and once this is done, you will see completed successfully like this. Once this is done, now you can check. Still not working. The next step is to repair or reset store. Now for this, type in Microsoft Store in Windows search box, make a right click on Microsoft Store, go to app settings. Now over here, scroll down and click on terminate and then click on repair. And once the repair is done, you can open store and then check. If that does not work, click on reset, and after the reset, you can check. Still not working. The next step is to delete Microsoft Store local cache folder. Now for this, open File Explorer, go to this PC, C drive, open the users folder, your username folder, open AppData. If you don't see AppData at the top, click on view, select show, put a check on hidden items and then open AppData folder, open the local folder, open the packages folder, scroll down, find Microsoft Windows Store. So look for Microsoft Windows Store. Here you can see Microsoft Windows Store underscore some alphanumeric character. Open this folder. Here you can see local cache folder. Make a right click, delete it. Now reopen Microsoft Store. Still not working. Run start these services. Now for this, type in services in Windows search box, click on services, find Windows Update, scroll down, make a double click on Windows Update, set this to automatic, apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK, make a right click on restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted. Now make a right click and then click on restart. Now find Microsoft Store install service, make a double click, set this to automatic, again apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK, make a right click and then click on restart. And once this is done, now you can check. Still not working. The next step is to run this Powershell command. The command is provided in the video description. Type in Powershell in Windows search box and then make a right click on Windows PowerShell and make sure that you run PowerShell as an administrator only. Click on yes to allow. Now copy this command. This command is provided in the video description. Paste it over here, hit the enter key. Now this will install all the Windows default apps, and during this process, if you see errors like this in red color, just ignore it, let the process complete. Once this is complete, you will see everything red. Then you can relaunch store and then check. Still not working. The next step is to try installing from store, from the library or downloads in Microsoft Store. So open store. At the bottom left, you will see the download option. You can click on download. If you see your application or game over here, and if you see check for update, you can click on check for update. And then if you see update all, you can update everything. And if you see your application or game over here, try to install it from here. You can even go to library. If you find your game or application over here, you can try to install it from here. Next step is to uninstall and reinstall Microsoft Store. So copy the first command. The command is provided in the video description. Type in PowerShell in Windows search box. Make a right click on Windows PowerShell. Make sure that you run PowerShell as an administrator only. Click on yes to allow. Now paste the command over here, hit the enter key. This will uninstall Microsoft Store from your computer. The Microsoft Store will be gone once you run the command. Now to install Microsoft Store, you can copy the second command. This is also provided in the video description, and then paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. This will reinstall Microsoft Store, and then you can relaunch it, and then you can check. Still not working. The next step is to run these two commands. Type in cmd in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab. Make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator only. Click on yes to allow, and then paste the command, hit the enter key. Now this will run a scan. The scan will take some time. Once the scan is 100% complete, copy the second command, paste it on the same window. Once the second scan is 100% complete over here, restart your computer. And after the system restart, you can check. Still not working. Run init cpl.cpl command. So type in init cpl.cpl, click on it. Go to advanced tab, scroll down. Make sure use TLS 1.0, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3. All four are checked, and then hit apply. Apply is important. Click on OK, and then relaunch store. Next step is to update Windows. For this, go to Windows Update or Update and Security. Click on Check for Update. Once all the updates are installed over here, then restart your computer. And after the system restart, you can check. Next step is to use fix problems using Windows Update. Go to Windows Update in Windows Settings, and then go to Advanced option. Go to Recovery option. And over here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files, and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time. Once done, restart your computer and then check. Still not working. The last step is to use media creation tool. You can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down here, you can see media creation tool. Click on download now, and then you can run this exe file, and then click on accept. By default, Windows 11 will be selected. Click on next. Select ISO file over here, and then click on next. You can save it to desktop. Click on save. Let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once done, click on finish. Let this close automatically. Go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next, click on accept. By default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked. Hit install. After the installation, log into the computer and then use Microsoft Store. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to fix this error. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.